Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I am going to give you a full-on review of the new and all-powerful Nano Banana. So let's check out exactly why or why not it's the good choice. The question that everyone's asking is Nano Banana actually any good, right? Or is it just another image generation tool? Now let me just show you some of my chat history. Now, if you don't know, you can jump straight into Nano Banana just by going into Gemini, and into Gemini you will find this interface where you'll actually have the chat, and within the chat you'll be able to open up that image generation tab where it says banana image. Okay, so here's some of the stuff that I've been playing around with. So I got this image, I created this image, and I've got some logos over here, and you can see I've actually asked that we want to turn this into a medieval scene, and you can see that I've given it some detail. All right, so not much detail, but I've given it a fair amount of detail. You can see that it has actually done a pretty good job. Now, the only problem that I had was I used an image that had a watermark over it, and of course, I will not be using the image publicly. This is just for example purposes. But you can see that the image is a pretty good, got a pretty good thing going on here. You can see the light from the window behind the throne, and you can actually see that the three figures over here actually have shadows, and it's pretty much to where the window is coming in. You can also see, if you want any changes done, that you can literally just remove say like the watermark perhaps, or if you want to replace this image with that image, and you can see that there's consistency with whatever you're not changing. It's pretty good. And like right over here, I've actually created one without without the aspect ratio being in a square or a 1:1, and I've continued. I then added some text, and this was literally just by using a prompt. So you can literally do all of what you want to do just by simply adding prompts. As we go down, you can see I have now asked for the background to be removed, and here I asked for the background to be kept and for the foreground to be removed. And you can see that this just keeps on getting better and better. Now, you should have maybe seen this in a previous video, but here we've asked for some different things. Here we've asked for arms to be added over here. We've also asked for this to become a pen, ballpoint pen line drawing. We've asked to have that image emerged into another image. We've asked a random prompt over here, and we've just continued to refine a single image that I have created. So here's our prompt, and here is the initial image, and as we are going through these images, they are becoming slightly more realistic as I am requesting. So is Nano Banana any good? Yes, I think it is. If you have to run all of these simple prompts that are being generated by a non-prompt engineer or somebody that doesn't really know much about prompting, you'd probably get not very good results. There we go, ladies and gentlemen, Nano Banana is pretty awesome, and it does separate itself from the rest of the AI generation tools out there. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. We'll see you next time.